How to make money on Instagram without showing your face. I am pretty sure you must have seen a lot of people making money on Instagram, and maybe you are now wondering if you can make money on Instagram without showing your face. Well, I am here to tell you that you don't need to show your face to make money on Instagram. An anonymous account will work perfectly. You will have the opportunity to monetize your Instagram account with affiliate links, Instagram shopping, making Instagram stories and masks, and leveraging sponsored posts. That being said, let's see how you can make money on Instagram without showing your face. Number 1. Start a niche Instagram account. Since there is a lot of competition on Instagram and you want to remain anonymous, you should start a niche Instagram account. If you search on Instagram, you will find a lot of content creators that create awesome informational content to provide value to their customers. That's exactly what you should do, especially when you are a beginner. Posting valuable content that is appealing to people is the first step to building your followers. So, how can you create a niche Instagram account? Well, you just have to convert your personal account into a business account and choose a niche that you are passionate about. Once you have created your business account, the next step is to start with affiliate marketing. Number 2. Promote affiliate links. One of the most popular ways individuals earn money on Instagram is through affiliate marketing. Though most Instagram influencers use their face to promote products or services, you can do that by remaining anonymous. If you have the proper type of following in the appropriate kind of niche, you can operate anonymously. How can you get started with affiliate marketing? You should include your trackable link or special discount code in your descriptions. Using the swipe up function or stickers, you may add these URLs to your Instagram bio and Instagram stories. When considering your alternatives for affiliate links, you will want to pick affiliate networks with a large selection of products associated with your market. For instance, here are some popular affiliate programs that you can try: ShareASale, ClickBank, Reward Style, or Amazon Associates. Number 3. Become a brand ambassador. Your responsibility as a brand ambassador is to leverage your connections and network to spread the word about the company you work for. Additionally, you might have to do product presentations or occasionally distribute trial items. You may utilize Instagram Live in this situation to interact with your audience and explain how the brand's products would benefit them. If you decide to pursue a career as a brand ambassador, you can anticipate earning about $36,271 a year, as ZipRecruiter reports that this is the industry average. Number 4. Use Instagram shopping. Instagram shopping serves as your web showroom. You may share your story and do direct sales to clients on Instagram shopping. Users of the platform may explore and shop your collections directly from the platform without additional steps. If you haven't heard about Instagram shopping, then here are some interesting stats. 70% of those who enjoy shopping use Instagram to find new products. 87% of consumers claim that influencers motivated them to buy something. The key is to use ads with product tags to dramatically enhance your sales. From the ads, you may either direct them to your website or allow them to buy directly from Instagram. Note: checkout on Instagram is currently available in the US only. Now, you can also use live shopping where you can sell products through your Instagram Live and form a deeper connection with your audience. Customers may purchase your goods using Instagram features like live shopping, Instagram shop tabs, shoppable ads, shoppable posts and stories. The great thing about having an Instagram store is that you can do it without spending any money. Any business account can utilize this service for free. You'll only be required to pay a commission when a sale is made. Number 5. Publish sponsored posts. According to Social Toaster, 92% of people trust word-of-mouth recommendations, which is a huge opportunity to make money with sponsored posts. If you have a very popular Instagram account, brands will automatically approach you to produce sponsored posts. What if your Instagram account is not popular? Then you will have to approach brands yourself. So, how can you do that? To boost your chances of getting found, you can either get in touch with them and try to strike a contract or post yourself on influencer markets. Here are a few places you can add your details. 4. CrowdTap, Indahash, or Grapevine Village. Number 6. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a terrific strategy to monetize your Instagram account even though it sounds difficult to do. It's actually fairly simple. It's even a chance for beginners to generate money because there is minimum barrier to entry. The dropshipping business models help you to distribute and sell products without having to deal with the inventory. Though building a professional dropshipping store will cost you an initial investment, it doesn't mean you cannot do it for free. You can find my complete guide on how to build your own dropshipping website for free in the description. Number 7. Sell your photos online. Since Instagram's primary function is photo sharing, your photographs are assets that you should monetize through prints, licensing, or even other sales. If you started using Instagram because of your photography, it's time to start earning money from your photos. Here are a few places where you can sell your photos: Shutterstock, iStock and Getty Images, Yay Images, 123F, Bigstock, or Adobe Stock and Fotolia. Number 8. Caption writing. Writing captions for well-known brands is another method to earn money on Instagram without having to expose your identity or even have your own account. Large and small businesses must utilize Instagram to market their goods and services, but few have the time or motivation to sit down and craft compelling captions for each of their photos. You fill that role, of course. While some large firms use in-house content creators to handle their social media marketing, smaller businesses frequently hire freelancers to cut costs. Some authors assert that they can make $6,000 per day by writing Instagram captions, while a more reasonable estimate is $10,000 per month. Still, not bad at all. These were the 8 best ways to make money on Instagram without showing your face. I hope that this video will help you to start your online journey so that you can start to make money on Instagram and make a massive change in your life. If you enjoyed this video, share them with your friends so that we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.